Okay, here we are at the Winders broom making display. They grow broom corn, thresh it out on a machine made in the 1920s. And when was this machine made?
This machine was probably, it was remade, but it was probably in a factory in the early 1900s.
Early 1900s. So
yeah.
we're over 100 years old here.
Yes, it is. This machine, and of course the metal is 100 years old.
Yeah, you can see the patina on that chuck there.
Yeah.
That's really old metal.
Yeah. Okay, we're going to take this around and come back down on the broomstick again. I got to push it over a little bit more. Get the wire back down on the broomstick. Here. Gotta go ahead. We gotta get this kind of wound up. I'll put the fingers back here just a little bit more. Bring the wire down good and tight on the broomstick. I'm going to do it one more time.
One more time.
Yeah, I always, my method is a 3 wind down. Wind 3 rows of wire down. The straw is wet down. You have to wet it down, otherwise the wire would cut through it. And it kind of beats the straw down tight, so it kind of bubbles out, so it don't come off.
Yeah.
That'll be okay. Then we're going to put a nail in here to hold the wire. Take it off the machine here in a little bit. Wrap it around once, and gotta get it in good and tight.
The driver in.
There's different kinds of wind down. This is the simplest one you can make.
Wow.
I'm going to cut this off here a little bit, even the stems all up. And broom corn is really tough, that's why it's hard to cut. So that's why it lasts.
Yeah, I can see it's tough.
Yeah. See, something like wheat straw, you just cut right through it. But this broom corn is really tough material. Of course, it's raised just for brooms, normally. This one here is going to be a little cobweb broom, what it's going to be.
Ah, neat. Perfect.
Okay, thank you.
Cobweb broom.
Yeah.
Oh, that is beautiful.
Small little broom. Just trim it up a little bit.
Just giving it a little bit of a trim there.
There's always straw hanging out sometimes, you know. And I'll put a time on it so I don't kind of keep track of when I made it. So it's got to dry now. So it's got to dry for several hours anyway.
Are those for sale?
I think they're all taken care of. I'm not taking any orders anymore.
Not taking any order. Everyone's spoken for before you make it.
I think some of them, I might not have enough orders. Yeah, I'm just not taking any more orders today.
Well, thank you for the demonstration.
Thank you.